Right now I'm going to show you how to change the bag on the Riccar 25 series. So this works for the 25S, 25D, and the 25P. So all we got to do actually is flip the vacuum around here. You don't have to, but you can take off the cord here just because it's easier to see. And there's a little button right there. So you push that and then the lid just opens up. That's kind of the hardest part to figure out. Once you've got that though, you go ahead and remove the lid there. Then you can just grab the old filter here. It does have a handle here. It says pull on it. You simply pull it out. Oh yeah, this one's nice and full. So I got a real full, there's like a whole dog in there. And then all we have to do is put the new one in. Same way, you just put that in. It's kind of blocked right here, but this is just a little plastic piece that on kind of a hinge, and it opens up and there's this plastic piece that pushes it down. So just set it into place there and then close it. It'll just make sure it kind of latches in there. And that's it. That is how you change the vacuum bag on these Riccar 25 series. That's the 25, S, D, and P. Hopefully that was helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.